Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to be talking about a trellis that I ordered, and we're going to be assembling it today. In my last video, I was talking about seeds and how I had started up a new, I had a collection of Morning Glory seeds. However, I have a lack of trellis and climbing space for them to be around the farm. And so I decided to go on eBay, and I ended up purchasing a small little simple trellis, something just to be completely covered by the Morning Glories. And then I can actually choose where to put them as opposed to having to climb them up some old tree or something like that. So, so we do have the designs here. It's an extremely simplistic thing that's going to be happening, and I'll probably just do a fast forward motion as I do this, but see how long it takes me. Let's see, what time is it now? I have no idea what time it is. I don't even have my phone. So here we have the final product. It's these bottom ones are meant to go into the ground. So once they're in the ground and secure, it might be a little flimsy still. I might have to support it with other things that are sort of around the base, like a T-bar, to sort of give it a little bit more strength. But just for Morning Glories climbing on this, I think it's not so bad. And I'll see how it lasts, and I may go buy another one so it can stay symmetrical. And that's it. It was very easy to put together. Don't worry, even though I'm putting this together in my house, my door is right there, so it's not going to be difficult to get outside of the house. Anyway, so yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I think this was about $21, $22 on eBay that I found. Yeah, I guess I'd say it was worth about that much. Anyway, I will show a video when this is all covered in Morning Glories. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.